What would it be like? What would it be like if on Monday morning, all of you people, as you were driving into work at your respective branches, you knew one thing for certain. Everybody else coming into the Scotiabank that morning had one thing in mind, and that was how are they going to help somebody else look better? How are they going to make somebody else's job a little easier? How is service going to make sales' job a little easier? How is sales going to make administration's job a little easier? How is administration going to make service's job? You see, got the idea? What would it be like to work there if that was truly the spirit? Not just a poster on the wall, but truly the spirit. What would it be like to work there? Wouldn't it be awesome? It would be absolutely awesome. And I could tell you some stories about some companies that I worked with that we were, in fact, able to do that. And the results we got afterwards were absolutely phenomenal. But here's the other thing, folks. What if I brought every employee in Scotiabank into this room and told them that story? And said, would this be a way you would want to work? What would they say? Absolutely. So then I would say, well, why don't you? Well, the answer is it's not your fault, because that's not the way you've been conditioned. Seconds into it, some gentleman says, oh my goodness, it's John Lennon.